Number 10. Vaduz Ajajnaofo, Belgium. He was born in Belgium, and has made 6 appearances for the European nation. His father is from Ghana and his mother is from Belgium. He started his career at Anderlecht. Vaduz has gone on to play for Hamburg, Club Brugge, Norwich City, Rotherham United, Legia Warsaw, and is currently a Greek champions, Olympiakos. Number 9. Alexander Teddy, Norway. He was born in Ghana, but moved to Norway at a young age. He played for Norwegian top-flight team Rosenborg, with Anthony Annan. He is currently at Norwich City. Number 8. Timothy Fosu-Mensah, Netherlands. Timothy Fosu-Mensah was born in Amsterdam, to Ghanaian parents. He moved from Ajax to Man U in 2000. Number 7. Benjamin Hendricks, Germany. He was born in Germany, to a German father and a Ghanaian mother. The 20-year-old made his debut for Germany in 2016, against San Marino. He was a member of the German team that won the Confederations Cup in Russia. Hendricks has spent his whole career at Bayer Leverkusen. Number 6. Danny Welbeck, England. Danny Welbeck was born in Manchester, England, to Ghanaian parents. He has made 35 appearances for England, scoring 15 goals. Welbeck came through the ranks at Manchester United. He spent some time on loan at Preston North End, and also Sunderland, where he played with Black Stars captain, Asamoah Gyan, as well as veterans John Mensah and Suleiman Tari, who tried to convince him to play for Ghana. But he opted to play for England instead. Number 5. Karim Bellarabi, Germany. Bellarabi was born in Berlin, Germany. He is of German, Moroccan and Ghanaian descent. He was eligible to play for Germany, Morocco and Ghana but chose to represent his country of birth. Bellarabi made his debut for the German side in 2014. He is a key part of his current club Bayer Leverkusen. Number 4. Iñaki Williams, Spain. Williams was born in Bilbao, Spain, to a Ghanaian father and a Liberian mother. He currently plays for Athletic Bilbao. He is only the second black player to do so. The Basque club only signed players who were born in the Basque country, or who learned their football skills at a Basque club. Williams has made 1 appearance for the Spanish national team, but could still be eligible to play for the Ghana Black Stars, since he is yet to play in a competitive match. Number 3. Memphis Depay, Netherlands. Depay was born to a Ghanaian father and a Dutch mother in the Netherlands. Depay has made 35 appearances for the Dutch national team. When Memphis Depay made his move from PSV Eindhoven to Manchester United, he was dubbed the Dutch Ronaldo, and given the iconic number 7 shirt. Unfortunately, he could not. Number 2. Mario Balotelli, Italy. Mario Balotelli was born in Palermo, Italy, to Ghanaian parents, but was adopted by the Balotelli family at a tender age. Surprisingly, Mario Balotelli is not the first black player to play for the Italian national team. Fabio Lavorani was the first to do so. Balotelli has played for Inter Milan, Manchester City, AC Milan, Liverpool. He has won various titles including the Champions League, and league titles in England and Italy. Number 1. Jerome Boateng, Germany. He is the paternal half-brother of Ghana international, Kevin Prince Boateng. They were both born in Berlin, and started their careers at Hertha Berlin. Jerome chose to represent Germany, while his elder brother pledged his allegiance to the Ghana national team. Jerome made his debut for Germany in 2009. He played in the 2010 World Cup, and was part of the squad that won the 2014 World Cup in Brazil. He played against his brother in both World Cups. Jerome is currently known as one of the best defenders in the world, and the Bayern Munich man has won various titles with the German Giants. Jerome is currently known as one of the best defenders in the world, and the Bayern Munich man has won various titles with the German Giants, including 5 league titles, a Champions League trophy, European Super Cup, Club World Cup. He also won the English FA Cup during his time at Manchester City. Thanks for watching.